I was hearing some lectures by Satyanarayan, which are very nice. I really like it. He was explaining about the nature of the jivatma.Bivanamsvajiva. Because we grew up in a place where they said, Bhagavan is sat-cit-ananda. Bhagavan is sat-cit-ananda. And the jivatmas are also sat-cit-ananda. Is that true or false? That is false. Bhagavan is sat-cit-ananda. The jivas are sat. There's no chit and there's no anand. This is from the Sandharbas, it's also explained. Very nice point. The jivatma is eternal part of consciousness. It's consciousness and aware. I'm conscious. I'm conscious. I know I'm eternal. But we don't have chit. We don't have anand. There's no anand. Where's anand? We're always in misery. We're always stupid or anadi by our mukh. It says anadi, avidya, anadi, avidya. Vidya, ignorance is eternal. The conditioned souls are eternally covered by ignorance and they're eternally miserable. So how do you get chit and ananda? You get chit and ananda when you get diksha. You're gonna need another pair of glasses pretty soon. I'm gonna break the ones you have now. Your eyes are popping out of your head. Boing, boing, boing. The jiva is sat. That's it. Sat. Om tat sat. Thanks a lot. So, when we get diksha, then we get the seed of bhakti. What's the seed of bhakti? Seed of bhakti is chit and anand. Chit is san, vit, shakti, and anand is ladani shakti. So when you get diksha from a guru, and you get the bhakti lata bija, when the ingress of bhakti comes in your heart, it brings with it chit and ananda. And then there's a chance to experience bliss. An experience to learn, get real knowledge and wisdom, become a wise person. Without the mixture of bhakti in the heart, you can never really get knowledge. You're a jnani, without touch of bhakti, you can't realize jnana. So this is a nice new point also. The jivas are sat, they're not sat-cit-ananda. Because sometimes they say vivu chit and anuchit. They say the jiva is anuchit. He's little chit. But Bhagavan is vivu chit. He's big sat-cit-ananda. We're minutely sat-cit-ananda, and Bhagavan is unlimitedly sat-cit-ananda. That's not the truth. This is nowhere in Sandharbas, nowhere in teaching of Goswamis. So you don't have diksha, you don't have bhakti, you're only sat. There's no bliss for you, and there's no knowledge for you. You'll always be eternally ignorant. You think, I'm Mr. Richest guy in the world, I'm Mr. this and that. It's all ignorance, it's all ego. It's all ego-driven ignorance. Because without bhakti, you live in the ego. It's all you live in is the ego. When bhakti comes in, you can live in the Atma. Sat-cit-ananda. You become blissful also. Bhakti makes you blissful. Doesn't it? No?